Hello everyone. So today I want to show you guys how to buy a new domain and hosting account from one of my everyday go-to websites, web hosting site. So the name of the website is called harmonweb. It's called harmonweb. So it's a Nigerian website, and I've been using them for a while now. You can see it does the name. It's called harmonweb.com. So when you click on it, I mean they have a lot of features that I like, unlike most Nigerian websites. This one actually, I mean, it's great compared to the things I've seen over the years. So I'm not condemning, or praising anyone, but I'm just saying that I have used this Harmon Web for a while, and their services. I like how, they are. I like the services they offer, and all of that. I know the prices are kind of coming up now. It's kind of high these days, unlike when I started with them around about 2 years ago, I think. But now, I mean, you can just go through, their site and look at how it is, and then you can know what to buy. So I like the space, this particular package right here. This shared hosting is what I usually use almost every time for my own website. I don't really have a big, website like that needs huge amount of space and storage and all of that. So I usually go with this particular shared hosting plan. Also, they have at the moment a month. It is now 550 naira per month for now, unlike before. Well, everything has gone up, so I don't blame them. So this one is WordPress hosting. It says get up and running fast with optimized performance, easy maintenance, WordPress hosting. So starting at 1,265 per month. So if you have, serious business that you're doing online, and you're hosting with WordPress, I feel this is for you. And if you can afford it, yeah, why not go ahead? At least it's dedicated for WordPress. Like all they do, like they put every resources that you need to function properly with speed and optimization. I mean, with this kind of hosting, you never need to have issue with any WordPress, website that you've decided to create. So this is another plan that they have, Ezoic hosting, designed for Ezoic monetized website with all Ezoic IP web listed for better performance. You well know Ezoic, ads and all that. So this is one of the web hosting that is designed just for this particular company. So, and they have this one as well, online store, start selling products online here, including store management with card payment. So this one is 38,000 naira per year. So there you have it. And also the reseller hosting. Start your own web hosting business using white label server with powerful, hardware. It starts at 15,500 naira per month. So this is where you buy and you sell the hosting packages to, your clients and anybody else that you can get up to. So this one is Cloud VPS, lightning fast servers with root access, NVMe, SSD, RAID 10, and blazing fast networking hosting. It starts at 8,500 naira. So these are the packages that they have. One of their main popular packages. So I don't know which one you are, but I'm guessing you're just starting now. So if you're just starting out, okay, let's also look further into, features of this shared hosting, which is costing 550 naira per month. It can host two domains. It has 12 gigabytes RAID, one storage, unlimited bandwidth. So I mean, this is good compared to so many other websites I have seen over the years. Unlimited bandwidth, one free domain included, super fast SSD storage, 50 email accounts, my 5 MySQL database, one weekly backup, free SSL certificates, and 99.95% uptime, which means it stays up for a longer time, without issues. So, I mean, to me, actually, this is a great plan. If you are interested, you can get it, and you can still go forward and look at the other ones. But if you are just starting out, trying to, it's just your first or second, or I mean, you're not having any reason to get into something really, really, really big. So you can just start with this shared hosting, this very first one right here. So I'm going to click on it now so I can show you the inside of it. We can maybe decide to choose a name. I don't know what name that you might be interested in, but I'm just going to test it out and show you. The prices differ though. So first, before you can get a hosting, you can get your website running, you need a hosting and you need a domain. So HarmonWeb will give you both of these two that you need. So, and also, if for it to be cheaper for you, you may need to consider getting a .com.ng WordPress. It is always cheaper having a .com.ng WordPress than .com or .ng or .biz and all of those things. So if you are selecting, I would advise if you can go for that one. But if you don't have an issue with capital and you can afford it, I mean, go ahead and buy .com domain. It's about the best out there so far, but doesn't mean that it's any better than .com.ng. They all function the same way. .com.ng will rank the same way or even higher than a .com domain. So here we are now inside the page, so you can choose how you want to pay. All right, you can decide to pay monthly by paying maybe the 550 naira, which is just for 1 month that you're going to pay that one. All right, because the next month it's going to increase to 700 and let me see what they said again. Okay, it's going to increase to 760 naira per month. So this one is just the bonus that they are giving you. But then you can decide to pay quarterly, which will be how much? Which will be 1,650. I'm sorry. You can also decide to pay semi-annual, which is 3,300 naira, or you can also decide to pay yearly, which is about 6,001. So this is what I paid last time for my hosting, to renew my hosting, and I mean it's great. I don't regret it. At least for a year. I mean, if you have something serious you're doing with your website, I'm sure in a year time you will not even have any issue of complaint about the price. So this is the price, and once you've selected, you click on the purchase now button. So you click on the purchase now. You can still scroll down and look at the other ones though, but I'm just showing you this particular one so you know that this one is okay for a start. Select this one, and now we are going to look for a name that we can use. So let's give it a minute to load. So like I said, Harmon Web is great. Honestly, I like the website, the company, the customer care is incredible, and all of that. So here we are going to find a domain. I don't know, some of you may know how to find a domain, some may not know. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me revise this so that you'll be able to see. So here we are. Here we are. Okay. So here we are right now. We are going to choose a domain. We are going to choose a domain right here. So we are going to search for, I don't know what your site is all about. So you need to first of all think and research for a name that best suits what you want to do. So let's say my website is about SEO. I'm into SEO, I'm into web design, so I'm going to look for something SEO, SEO junkie. Alright, so you can just play with it and choose what you want, or first of all research. So we are going to first search for .com first. Check if this SEO junkie is available. If it is available, we will know the price, and as you can see, it is not available. But the .com.ng is available. These are other forms of website. So like the .com.ng is available, the .ng is available, the .biz is available. But like I said, the .com.ng is the most least expensive. So all you just need to do is click on the add to cart, and then follow it up and pay for the this, and then also buy the domain while at it. So I'm going to link the website to this the link to this website on this video, so that you will be able to go through this and get it done. So consider choosing the .com.ng so that it'd be a lot cheaper for you. Yeah.